I think the symposium is a good first start, and also what we discussed about publishing the talks and our insights. I think it's really important to gather people and gather the knowledge from different perspectives. So we had insights from a more engineering perspectives, from artistic interventions, but also from how universities deal with this and how we can bring this into education. But I think it's extremely important to bring all this knowledge we created in the last years together, and to work together to build up a new way to work, interdisciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and to create new ways of organizing education, organizing science, organizing how we can understand our world because of all these huge challenges we have right now. And on the other hand, I find it also very interesting to understand how this would then actually also be better again or interesting for the artistic community. So I found it very interesting. There was a question in this conference yesterday, what it actually brings back to the arts world, the contemporary arts world. And I think there are quite a few questions around that. Of course, these interactions are very interesting for scientists and for artists, and it opens up a completely new space for artists to inquire their own artistic research and to inquire their own questions and to connect with new technologies and really science on cutting edge science. But it's very difficult for the contemporary art scene to really keep up with what's happening there and to integrate it in the discourse there. And I think this is something that would be interesting. But maybe it's also interesting just to see these collaborations as some kind of a door opener to a contemporary art scene for broader audiences.